In this video, I wanted to bring your attention to one specific sutra that is worth learning and noting and embodying. It is Sutra 2.46. So again, I'm looking at Heart of Yoga Disakachar here. Sthira Sukham Asanam. Sthira Sukham Asanam. Sthira Sukham, effort and ease. It's a wonderful greeting in Kerala. When I go there, they put their hand on the heart. Sukham, Sukham, are you at ease? And you reply, yes, Sukham, I'm at ease. I mean, how wonderful is that as a greeting? So Sukham, Sthira Sukham Asanam, basically is looking at the balance of effort and ease, both on the mat and in our lives. The yin-yang, the balancing of energy. Specifically with asana and pranayama. And he goes on to describe all that in great detail. These two aspects of yoga, asana and pranayama. And again, there are only two aspects of the massive whole concept and practice of yoga. Asana, pranayama. These two aspects of yoga are presented as they help us understand and use correctly with appropriate use our bodies and our breath. With them, it's possible for most of us to begin reducing the obstacles to yoga. And what are those obstacles? Fatigue, lethargy, tamasic energy, heaviness, sluggishness, or rajasic energy, which is more can't sit still and fleeting, not able to concentrate. So all these stories we tell ourselves to not practice yoga, that we don't actually do it. We know how good this practice is for us. So why don't we do it all the time? And I'm speaking to you as a teacher when you're with your students. You know, if you can help them see that the regular sustained practice will give you such gifts for your life. And it doesn't have to look a certain way. And it's going to change with your age, but just making your yoga practice not something you do. I do yoga, I go to yoga. No, it will become who you are. And that will enrich your life so much, so much. I know it has mine. I'm eternally grateful, internally indebted to this practice. So, asana must have the dual qualities of alertness and relaxation. Asana involves body exercises, and when they are properly practiced, there must be alertness without tension and relaxation without dullness or heaviness. Sthira Sukham Asanam. Such a great sutra to keep in mind and to impart to your teachings and to your students, to always remember this is the balance of effort and ease. So may we have Sthira Sukham Asanam in our practice.